Hello guys, welcome to Good Fundi. This is Simon Kaba. Today we are here to install a door closure for this door behind me. As you can see here, I'm going to install a door closure. Stay tuned as I take you through how I'll do it.
Yes guys, a door closure comes in three parts. This, the arm, and it also comes with this, which is the body. You can see, this is what we installed here. This is the body. And also it comes with this closure just underneath. Once you're done, lock here. Then also it comes with the screws, because it requires actually four holes, four to hold the body, and then you require others to hold now the part of the arm. Actually, every door closure you buy, it comes with this manual, this instruction. This instruction has two sides. It depends on where your door is facing, where the hinges are. If your hinges are on the left hand side, you just flip it. You'll find where the hinges are. Then you come with your something to mark where you're going to screw. You place it and ensure that it's okay where the hinges are, as you can see. Are you guys able to see the hinges? Let me set it up well. Yes, now you can see the hinges. You have to align these hinges on this one. So you come, you align where they are. Ensure that it's flashing all through. You can feel it at the frame of the door. Now you are sure of where you're going to put, where the arm shoe will be located and where the body will be located. Okay guys, we are going to install this right now in just some few minutes. You mark where you're going to screw. You are going to do your screws actually. You mark it. Then after doing that, the next thing now is take a drill and drill. Once you're done with the marking, now you come and try to see if your door closure will fit. Let me set it properly. Let's see, you can see until the top. Come and see if your door closure will fit. As you can see, here is where, and when you note this arm is not reaching to the frame, it's able to be adjusted. You can adjust it to the length that you prefer. Prefer slightly to be able to touch the frame. We are the best in the market for home repairs, renovation, remodeling, and even construction. Currently, if you have an issue with plumbing, you have an issue with the electrical, you have an issue with the painting, carpet works, call us today. We are available to assist you in all your property needs. Good Fundi. Call us. Here our number 0721326948. You can also check us out on our website, Good Fundi Services. You have to ensure the arm at this point before installation is at 90, and also ensure that the body is parallel. Usiweke combo, ukiweka combo itakaa vizuri. Kazi safi ndio tunatafuta Good Fundi Services. So tunafunga kutoka huku kwa nafunguka hivyo. Let me get the drill ready for work. First of all, we advise you have to pre-drill so that you have an easier, smooth, and screws zote kuingia rahisi yani. Kidrill tu ingia rahisi. Pre-drilling is highly recommended and highly advised. Na kama ni mfupi tafadhali chukua ngazi. Tafuta kitu ya kukanyaga. Ameni safe, hautaanguka na utafika huko. Sasa tume pre-drill. Chenye
inafuatia sasa ni kuanza kuweka door closure. Sasa pre-drill. Unahitaji kubadilisha bit yako ile kwa ya kuchimba mbao. Sasa tunabadilisha tuweke ya kuweka screw. Ukiangalia door closure vizuri utakuta kuna hii sehemu. Hii sijui kama mnaona hapa. Kuna hii sehemu imeandikwa 1 and 2. Ya chini una adjust latch. Hii ya juu una adjust speed. Venye mlango unaweza fungua. Sasa kama unafungua mlango, unaachilia mlango, inaenda mbio, inaenda polepole, halafu inajibana. Hizi hapa ndio na adjust kwa kutumia flat. Kwa sababu hapa ni flat, sio star. Sasa acha tu install body. Na kazi inaendelea. Ini drill bit imechomoka. Sasa kitu kingine tutapima ni arm, tuone vizuri kwa inaenda sambamba na wenye tunatarajia. Alafu ukisha adjust height tunataka, kuna hii nut. Iko mnaiona? Ina tunarudisha nyuma. Inazuia sasa hii ikiwa inafaa kuwa at a very flat place. Sasa hii nut ndio inahakikisha kuwa iko flat. Isiwe kwa combo. Halafu kuna screw. Kuna hii nut tunafunga pale juu ya mkono. Lakini kabla hivyo kwanza tunafunga mkono, tuhakikishe mkono uko sehemu yake. Halafu sasa naweka nut ile juu ya mkono hapa juu. Sikaona hapa juu. Hapa juu huwezi funga kabla hadi ufungue mlango, unaweza kufunga. Lazima tuhakikishe tumekaza kabisa. Na sasa kitu ya pili. Now as I shared with you, I'm done with installing the door closure. Now I'll show you how it works. Ukiangalia hapa penye ukifungua tu mlango, ukifungua mlango haitakuwa na bang. Inafaa ifanye hivyo, alafu ijifunge taratibu. Bas, kazi safi. Good Fundi services. Call us today 0721326948 for all your renovation, repairs, remodeling, service and construction. See you.